About another feature called My Campaigns. Basically, when you run a campaign, you want to run with a specific um, set of demographic, whether it's a name, it could be the location, it could be the um, certain company and things of that nature. So you basically need a view of or a subset of your contacts as a campaign so that you can focus on that. So we are going to talk about how a campaign or a subset of the contact is created so that you can process that. All right, so in order to do that, you go to My Campaigns, and here in My Campaigns, basically you have to create something called custom list. Okay, so I want to create a custom list and I want to give a name. Let's say I will say start with B, right? Okay, and here are the different parameters that you can give, and I will just for the you can do zip code, you can do state, you can do city, you can do you can do company name. That's, I think, is one of the things which people use it. So depending on what is there in your contact, what kind of data set you have on your contact, you can define that. So here, for example, um, you define basically a contact where you say first name starts with, let's say, value, say B, right? And you click save. So starts with B has been created, and you can see all the contacts that starts with B. So all these people, you know, who starts with B will show. It is out of your all contacts. Now you have a subset or a separate campaign that you can run. You can go back to all your campaigns, you can create as many lists as you want, and any of the list you can execute, or your campaign you can execute. um, Thanks.